StrinoSoft Video Factory, AI video automation system for colleges and educational institutes. Product overview. StrinoSoft Video Factory is an AI-powered SaaS platform that automatically converts PDF notes, study materials, presentations, and academic content into professional YouTube-ready educational videos with voiceover, slides, thumbnails, and branding. Key features: upload PDF and auto-generate HD educational videos. AI voiceover, multiple voice options available. Automatic slide generation and formatting. College logo and branding integration. Auto YouTube publishing. Auto shorts generation from long videos. Multi-department usage support. Monthly video generation dashboard. Use cases for colleges. Lecture video generation from faculty notes. NAC, NBA documentation videos. Online course content preparation. Distance learning support. YouTube marketing for admissions. Department-wise academic content publishing. Benefits for institutes. Reduce manual video production cost by 70%. Generate 30-plus videos per month automatically. Improve digital presence and admission marketing. Standardized academic content delivery. Save faculty time. Scalable across all departments. Suggested institutional pricing model plan. Ideal for monthly price. INR Institute Starter. Small colleges. I4 999 Institute Growth Engineering. Large colleges. I9 999 University Pro Universities. Multi-campus I24 99999. Why choose StrinoSoft? StrinoSoft Video Factory empowers colleges to transform their academic content into a scalable digital video ecosystem. With automation, branding, and AI integration, institutes can build strong digital visibility and enhance student engagement. Contact StrinoSoft Enterprises Pifet Lintili. Website pdf2video.in demo booking. Available on request. Explain the concept in simple steps. Give a real-life example. Summarize the benefits and how it works.